Hello everyone, this is Tuhin Banik from ThatWare, and today we'll be discussing about one of the famous concept in the field of SEO known as voice search optimization, or commonly known as VSO. So over the last few years, VSO have prevailed well in the fields of SEO because there have been a lot of buzz in the industry that the way people are searching is shifting towards the voice search. Now the thing is, what really is voice search optimization? So in short, voice search optimization is nothing but just the reflection of information whenever some people searches a query using their voice. In other words, whenever a user like me and you do any search engine search from like Apple's Siri or maybe Google's voice assistant, like, hey Google, what is this? Or hey Siri, what is that? In that case, you can get a list of information. This is known as voice search. So today we will discuss why this is important and some of the areas by which this can be improved and this can be optimized for. So today we will understand why voice search optimization is very important in the fields of SEO. Now the thing is, over the last few years, there have been a trend in the shift that people who are searching from voice is surpassing the people who are just searching by typing or texting. In short, people are using more mobile devices nowadays rather than desktops, and the trend of mobile users is always increasing exponentially. Due to this nature, people like me and you are always trying to utilize the search engines like Apple, Siri, Safari or anything using voice search commands, and using those commands people are trying to retrieve the information from the respective search engines. And this is one of the reasons why voice search is really taking on the market, because with voice search you can literally rank your landing page or for a set of keywords into the voice search command space, and that would not only help you with the branding but also would help you with a proper rank zero optimization, because voice search always works the best. Like, if you ask me, the click-through rate, the one-stop click solution, the user experience, everything is well justified on a voice search optimization. Now we will discuss some of the critical factors by which voice search optimization can be controlled or can be enhanced. So let us review all the points one by one. The first factor is local search results. Now voice search really works good if you are optimizing a local campaign, for example nearby keywords or XYZ nearby, or something you are optimizing on your local content, because people like there have been a study and a survey that people who are using voice command eventually looks out for something nearby, or they are trying to make the entire campaign localized. The second factor is utilization of long tail keywords. The thing is, I think in one of my previous video I have spoken about why long tail keywords are important and how that really benefits in the fields of SEO. Now to repeat once again, long tail keywords can really help in satisfying the intent of the users. In other words, the exceptional intent of the searcher's query can be satisfied with the help of long tail keywords. Even though the search volumes might be lesser, but still using a long tail keyword can help to semantically map out the intent of the user's search, and based on that a proper query can be mapped according to the user's intent. So optimizing your landing page for the long tail keyword is really important, and this is one of the key factor for optimizing your SEO. The third factor is using conversational language. Now, as the name suggests, in voice search you always want to really use languages which is conversational and which is common to use in people, just like you're having a converse. For instance, just like I'm speaking to you, just like I'm thinking that I am having an audience in front of me and I'm just trying to make out this YouTube video for you guys. So having a natural rhythm of the conversational language can really trigger the natural language processing on the AI module. Now, not to go that far, using a conversational language can really help in voice search commanding. The fourth critical factor is utilization of proper FAQs into your landing pages. Now, having a proper frequently asked questions can really help you to improve your voice search, because once again voice searches are conversational and they tend to perform better with long tail keywords. So in your FAQs you can always use long tail keywords, and you can always use endless conversational paragraphs that can help you to re-optimize or reshape your entire search journey towards the voice search optimization. The fifth point is that on your landing page you can put as much as answers to the topic as possible, because voice search is all about answering to the needs of the user's command, and if you use a lot of answering paragraph in your text, that can be really utilized for the voice search command space. The sixth important critical factor is that you put a lot of question answers as why, how, etc. on your paragraph, because once again questions can increase the intent and that can increase the chances for getting your website featured in the voice search command space. Factor number 7, please keep your keywords as simple as possible. I'm not telling that don't leverage on your main keyword, but try to keep that as simple as possible, because voice search always works if the main context is precise and to the point. The 8th factor that matters a lot is make sure that your entire context is as simple as possible. Just like the point number 7, try to make clear text, try to make clear verses, try to make sure that your things are easily understandable by the users, because this is when voice search can trigger. There are 4 more ways by which voice search can be optimized, as you can see from the screen: point number 9, point number 10, point number 11 and point number 12. Even though this point is by the way by which you can optimize your content and you can refine your content more well, but the thing is that the main 8 parameters what I have shared just now are the main one and the major ones by which voice search optimization can happen. So 3 key takeaways from this video. The first one is voice search is really shaping up the SEO space, so if you have not started optimizing yet, you can do it now. The second thing is always choose the long tail keywords and make sure that your landing page is well optimized for the long tail keywords, because that really makes a lot difference. The third thing is make proper utilization of the FAQs, because FAQs can also help you to reshape your voice search command space. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again on the next video. Thank you.